In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename participants in a Zoom meeting as a host or co-host, plus some settings you can use. If you're running a meeting and someone's display name isn't quite right, you can correct it in just a few clicks. First, make sure you are the host or a co-host. Renaming other participants is a host-level control, so if you don't see the options I'm about to show, you may need to be made a co-host by the person who scheduled the meeting. Once you're ready, look at the Zoom toolbar at the bottom of your meeting window and click the Participants button. This opens the Participants panel on the right side of your screen. You'll see a list of everyone currently in the meeting. If the toolbar isn't visible, move your mouse to wake it up. Find the person whose name you want to change. Hover your mouse over their name, and a More button will appear. Click More, then click Rename. A pop-up box will open where you can type the new display name. Enter the correct name, double-check the spelling, and click Rename or OK to confirm. The change takes effect immediately for everyone in the meeting. Keep in mind, this updates the name for this meeting session. It doesn't change their account name outside this meeting. If you're managing a large group, it can help to use the search field at the top of the participants panel to quickly locate someone. You can repeat this process for as many people as needed, which is especially helpful for classes, webinars, or events where consistent naming improves attendance tracking and breakout room assignments. Now, let's look at name control settings. If you don't want attendees to rename themselves during the meeting, click the security button in the meeting toolbar and uncheck Rename Themselves. This instantly prevents participants from changing their own display names. You can toggle it back on anytime if you want to allow self-renaming again. You can also manage this from the Participants panel. At the bottom of that panel, click More, then uncheck. Allow participants to rename themselves. This setting does the same thing. It's just available in another place that may be more convenient while you're working inside the panel. If you don't see the rename option for a participant, verify that you're the host or co-host. Also note that interface labels can vary slightly depending on your Zoom version, but the workflow is the same. That's it. With these quick controls, you can standardize names and keep your meeting organized from start to finish.